You've probably been struggling to grow your bankroll, but what if I told you there's one market that can change that instantly? In this video, I'm breaking it down step by step. So guys, in this video, I'll be focusing on the Italian Serie A, and I'll be making an example with the following teams, which are Sassuolo vs Udinese. So checking the last, but we won't be starting with the last 5 matches. We're going to be checking the table. Right now you can see that Sassuolo is number 9 and the other team is number 10. So both teams are performing well. They also have equal points, but let's see how they perform in their last 5 matches playing against each other. So yeah guys, as we're checking on 220911, we can see that our market work, guys. So the market of which we'll be talking about in this video is the over 2.5 of which you saw on the thumbnail. So right here you can see that the opposite team scored 3 goals and in total just 4 goals. So the over 2.5 worked here, guys. It worked. So yeah, let's check on the next match, 230212. We can all see that our market worked again. Our market worked again in a very wonderful and spectacular way. So here you can see that both teams scored 2 goals and in total it was 4. So our market worked here. The market worked, guys. The market worked. So yeah, let's check on the following match on 23-12-17. We can see that our market worked again, guys. This market is working. Can you see that? You could even try the over 3.5 because in the last 5 matches, as we were analyzing, you could see that 4 goals were being scored in those matches, right? So yeah, you could even try it, but in this video, we'll obviously be focusing on the over 2.5. So we all know that over 2.5 because the 2 goals or more. So yeah, I'll be focusing on that. And you could also try the, what do you call this? There's this other market of which you could say this team to score 1 goal or more, right? Overs, teams overs or unders. You can check it on your playlist on how to analyze, I'll show you how to analyze strategy analysis. Yeah, it's in that playlist if I'm not mistaken. So yeah guys, checking the next match on 240401, we can see that our market did not work here. Our market did not work, guys. The reason it did not work, because the goals were under 2.5 instead of over 2.5. So that's the reason why our market didn't work, guys. So at the end of this, I'm gonna show you the outcome to see whether if what I'm talking about is really working or not, because we're all here trying to learn something new, right? Yeah, so here I'll be showing you the outcome at the end of the video, whether the market I'm talking about worked on the latest match of which they played recently. So you can see that in this match our market did not work, but let's not lose hope because it has been working 3 times in the last 4 matches of which we are checking right now. So right now I'm moving on the next match, which is obviously the last match on 26-09-28. We can all see that our market worked, guys. I told you not to lose hope, and look how the market is working. It's really working, guys. It's really working. The market don't betray you depending on the types of teams you are placing a bet on. So right now is the time we've all been waiting for the results, the outcome. So as we can see on the recent match, the over 2.5 worked, guys. You can see that Sassuolo scored 2 goals and opposite team scored 1, which shows us that our market worked, guys. The market of which I'm talking about works. I'm not just talking about it. It really works. This is an outcome. They played this match recently. I don't know when, but if you really want to know, you could check on the AI score app or on this other app. I'll just show you on screen this one. So yeah, you can check it there, but as you're checking the results, we can see that our market worked, guys. It worked. So guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tips and strategies.